Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the dishwasher error code E4. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So when you see the E4 error on your washing machine, it usually means that there's an issue with either the water supply or the drainage. Here's what might be the cause of the problem. So first is going to be a water inlet valve or supply line issue, block drain hose, drain pump problems, and water level sensor issues. Now, typically, there are a few things that you can do here to basically fix this. First is you want to check your drain hose. Now, first look at the drain hose, see is it actually damaged or blocked. So if there are any kinks or blockages, try to straighten the hose and remove any debris. If the hose is damaged, you'll need to replace it. Next is you need to examine the drain pump. Check the drain pump for any debris, damage, or objects that might be blocking it. Remove anything that shouldn't be there. If the pump is badly damaged, again, you need to replace this. Next is you want to inspect the water inlet valve. Look at the water inlet valve and to see if there are any malfunctioning sections. Now, if there's anything blocking it, clean the valve with a cloth. If cleaning doesn't fix it, you might need to replace the valve as well. Next, you need to check the water supply line. Make sure the water supply line isn't dented or kinked. If you find any kinks or damage, try to straighten them out. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.